guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree wreath for Halloween, and I'm also going to be doing a decorate with me for my front porch. I am so excited about doing this, so I am just going to get started. So the first thing that you're going to need is this wreath, some ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I don't know what kind of the wreath is. It's just one of those metal ones. And then I got this cute little boo sign along with some purple flowers. So the first thing I'm going to do is just hot glue this ribbon down, and then I'm just going to wrap it all the way around this whole entire wreath.
Giving up your dreams to your silly demons. We're diamonds in the dust, so why can't you see it? Keep getting under your thick skin, trying on not building a nest in your weaknesses. Swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need to tell you that. Oh, don't, no, don't let them get in your head, So don't, please don't let them get in your head, Fight another day, I know it's worth it.
I ended up with a little bit that I could not fill in, so I'm just going to take some flowers and then I'm just going to cover that. So no big deal. Luckily it wasn't a ton, but I only had to use 2 things of ribbon for this. I guess you could get a third if you really wanted to cover that up, if you weren't going to use flowers or something like that. Like I said, I just use flowers, and then I am just going to attach my boo sign, and then I'm going to add twine to the top. And that is it for this really simple, easy wreath.
We're gold inside the rust, so I know you feel it. Keep getting under your thick skin, trying on not building a nest in your weaknesses. Swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need to tell you that. Oh, don't, no, don't let them get in your head, So don't, please don't let them get in your head,
And that is what the wreath looks like when it is all done, and the ribbon sheds like crazy, so if you get this, just be careful because that is what's going to happen. And then now I'm just going to add this crate. I got this from Menards for $2.99, and this spider. The company LK Depot sent this to me. It is a like 35-inch long spider, and it has this little like human skull face on it. It's supposed to be scary. My daughter Scarlett thought it was like the coolest thing ever, so she told me that I had to say yes to this review, and it's really cool. It's really scary. If you like Halloween, I think this is like the perfect thing for you. It's like hairy, and it's really creepy and cool. And then Durham, they also sent me this rug. Is black and white, and it's really nice. It's supposed to be like an indoor rug, but I thought it would be perfect for outside, especially if you're decorating for Halloween. So it matched all the black and the black spider. And then I ended up adding a lantern. I thought this all just looked really, really good together. And then I thought the outline of the boo on the wreath would also look really cool on the door. So I just think this is a really cute setup. So I will leave the links in the description box below if you want to check out the rug or the spider. I just think these are really cute additions to Halloween decor. Alright you guys, that is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I was so undecided with how I was going to set this up, but I was super happy with the way it turned out. I think it looks so cute. It's very simple, but I really like simple. But if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!